Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my bathroom. Let's get started on this journey because my face is so dry. Let's just do it. This video is not sponsored by Clinique at all. I have many Clinique products. Very first thing that I use is that cleansing gel. I already used this when I took a shower. Really awesome stuff. There's two versions of it. I have also the foam version, the clarifying lotion, and this goes right after the cleansing in the Acne Solutions family. So what this does, it actually gets rid of all the excess dead skin cells that cleanser can't even get rid of. So honestly, this is the most important step. So you just start sweeping it all over the face. And there's also an oil control in here, so that's why I shook it up so it gets dispersed nicely. And right now it's sweeping all excess oils, debris, dirt. Look at that. Nastiness, straight nasty. So typically people feel super clean after a cleanser, but homie, you are not until you do the clarifying lotion, which is an exfoliator, not a toner. The difference between a toner, it just evens out the skin. Exfoliator is taking all of those excess dead skin cells, everything out of those pores, extracting. Clinique Smart Custom Repair Serum. On the Smart De-Aging line, I just take one pump. And since this is a serum, this is the first thing you want to touch the skin after cleansing because it goes down to the skin cells and it renews them. People always tell me all the time, like, oh my gosh, that's just like Botox because it lifts, firms, evens out the skin tone. Vitamin C helps with redness, fine lines, wrinkles, everything. My favorite moisturizer. The moisturizer is 72 hours. Stays on your face for 3 days. There's an active aloe in it, so it gets stored into your wells. Also has hyaluronic acid. So this baby is just like a nice creamy water base. Putting this in dry areas. So for example, I have really dry eyebrows, really dry this part of the nose, right underneath my lips. They like to be dry. My cheeks, homie, my cheeks is what's the driest. This is the All About Eyes eye cream. It depuffs, it brightens, and then on top of that, it gives you a nice boost of hydration. Take a little bit, I disperse it on my ring fingers, and I tap right underneath, and you can bring it even on top of your eyelids, and done. The difference between my morning routine and night routine, I do these two steps. It has SPF 50, which SPF is so important. Helps you from discoloration, age spots. That way the sun isn't harming you. Trying to get rid of discoloration, SPF is needed. Then I have this guy, which is the All About Eye. Helps with depuffing, dark circles, and then also has caffeine in it, so it's gonna wake you up. Look at that. My last and final step for my face is the all over clearing treatment, the number 3 step that goes to the Acne Solutions. This contains a benzoyl in it. Now, wherever I'm acne prone in my face, that's why I put this. I don't put it all over my face because then I'll get really dry. On my chin area for sure. Like, my chin always hates me. Definitely going with some cocoa butter. If you know me from other videos, you know I like cocoa butter on my lips. Gotta moisturize my lips. Some castor oil. So homie wants to grow out her brows because I have this horrible balding spot. I don't know why. So I want to grow them out. My tails have actually been growing a lot more. I've been doing this every day and night. And then my lashes, even though you can't tell, they are a whole lot longer, especially when I put on primer and then mascara. Like, you legit see them flip. They're beautiful now. And I'm just tapping. That's where I want the hairs to grow. Castor oil is amazing for hair growth. Now I'm starting to coat my lashes. Just like if it's a mascara, I go up, and then I go back and forth on the bottom lashes. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. There's some affiliate links down below. Tell your friends to subscribe, share, like, and comment. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.